guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to go ahead and open my last two monthly subscription makeup boxes. So I have my Boxycharm that I need to open, and I have my Ricky's Cult Crushes box that I need to open. So I'm just going to go ahead and knock both of these out in this one video. Because it's so late in the month. I actually got my boxes kind of late, so it's probably stuff you guys have already seen a million times before if you get the box or if you like watching these videos, but I'm gonna go ahead and share mine anyway, just in case you haven't seen it. So let's go ahead and start with Boxycharm. So of course I got my usual box, already cut it open. And let me go ahead and take my card out. This is what the card looks like. And now we have this kind of neat little trifold type deal that we've been getting lately that shows all the different products and pricing and description. Let me get my glasses. Okay, there we go. Okay, so yes, it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items this month, and the theme is road tripping, if you could see that, which is pretty cool. There's also some nice little codes for 20% off on a couple of the items here, so I'll have to take a look and see if I want to take advantage of that. But let's just jump right in and pull out this first item that's on top. And this here, it says Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So this is what the box looks like. And let me go ahead and pop this open so we can take a look at this blush. This is a cute little compact. So this is what the front looks like. It just says Note on it. And then on the back, it has the color, which is Desert Rose, and it says Note on the back also. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Okay, so let's just pop this puppy open. Oh, it's really, really cute. So there is a mirror in this compact, which is really nice, and this is the color of this blush. So it is a Desert Rose. It's a little bit lighter shade than I like, but I'll try it out. It's still pretty. And then if you lift up the actual blush, there is a cute little blush brush in here. So that's pretty handy to have for traveling and stuff. If you forget your blush brush, you have a cute little brush here in the compact. So that is cute. So that is the first item. Now it says here, Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds neutral color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. Oh, so that's nice. It says here the built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go, and it retails for $11.99. So very, very nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this since it's lighter than blushes that I normally like to wear. I might go ahead and give that away. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull out this next item, and this is from Chella, Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So this is what the little container looks like, and it says here Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and sharpens your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. Very cool. So this is like a double-ended item here. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and all night. And this retails for $26. So, okay, so this end, I don't know if you can see that, it has a brush on it. I know my camera's not going to focus on that, you guys, but this end has the brush that you're going to use to draw in your brows. And, okay, so you twist this side off, and on this side, it actually has the brow product in there. And as you can see, you know, this color is quite light, so I'm not sure if this is even going to work for me. Actually, I highly doubt it. So I'm going to go ahead and not use it because I don't want to give away a used item. So this I'm actually going to give away only because I don't believe that this is going to be dark enough for me. So I'm not even going to use it. Okay, so next, let's see what I have here. This is Needles No More from Dr. Brandt. I love getting products from Dr. Brandt because your girl loves Dr. Brandt products, okay? It says, no more baggage. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful. Rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And I definitely need something for under my eyes. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you're guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. Okay, so I'm really, really glad to get this. I will be trying this out every morning. It retails for $42. Okay, so that is very nice. Let me go ahead and just see what the consistency is on this. Oh, it's very thick. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is very, very thick. And so this is what it looks like on my hand. It's kind of like a peachy type color. Well, it's very nice. It's very soothing, kind of like has a, starts out a little bit shiny, but then it kind of dulls down. And it really doesn't have a scent to it, so that's nice. Yeah, so I think this is probably going to work very nice under my eyes. I can't wait to try it out. Okay, so next I have here from Wander Beauty, and this says Unlashed. Now, looking at this packaging, originally I was like, ooh, that looks like a little liquid lipstick, you know, kind of like a Tarte or something like that. But this is actually a mascara, and it says here, Volume and Curl Mascara. Let me go ahead and read this. Wander Beauty, this award-winning black and intensely glossy, ooh, a glossy mascara, okay, will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And this retails for $24. So this is really neat. I've never purchased or had a mascara that came in a tube form, so let's just check this out. Oh, and this applicator is really cool. It has like a slight curve to it, so I like that a lot. It's not too big and bulky and thick, but it definitely looks like it will thicken and lengthen my lashes. So and it seems like the shape of the tube will help you to be able to scrape the ends and get the lash or mascara out easier. So like this a lot. I will definitely be trying that out. And I have one more item, which of course is the biggie. You know, Boxycharm always has something really, really nice, a really nice treat. This is a palette, and this is from Crown. So it comes in that protective bubble wrap, and mine came in a nice box as well. So let me go ahead and pop this puppy open. And I won't be able to use it today because obviously I already have my eyes done for today. But let's go ahead and take a look at this palette from Crown. So this is what the actual palette looks like. A nice thin little cardboard palette with Crown on the front. And let me see here. It says Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. Okay, so this is the Fuego. Let's take a look here. Oh, how pretty. Okay, and so it has this nice little covering, of course, over the shadows. There is a mirror in this palette, and these are the shades. It's kind of a little bit of a glare. Let me see if I can get rid of the glare. Gee whiz. Because it has this really pretty, like, rose gold around these different shadows, but that's really pretty. But you can, and when I hold it at an angle, I think you can better see the shades on this palette, you know, as opposed to when the light is washing it out. You can really kind of check out the depth of the colors in this palette. When I hold it a little bit at an angle, it shows a little bit better. So this palette is really pretty. So it looks like there are, what, 10 shades in here. Let me see if I can get a close. There we go. So yeah, there are 10 shades in here, and as you can see, there's some really pretty shimmer shadows as well as matte. So I actually cannot wait to try this palette out. It's very pretty. So it says here, made up of rich, warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals, and it retails for $29. So once again, Boxycharm has really outdone themselves. You know what, let me go ahead and just do a few swatches on this palette for you guys, because it is so gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of these shimmers so you can see what those look like. Ooh-wee. So look at those shimmers, you guys. Those are gorgeous. I'm sorry, my camera just wants to focus on me, of course, which is a good thing. Okay, so those are some of the matte shades. Let me go ahead and see if I can zoom in here. These are some of the swatches from that palette. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so that is it for my July Boxycharm. Now I'm going to go ahead and move into this Ricky's Cult Crushes box for the month of July and take a look at what I got in here. And the Boxycharm, just in case you don't know, runs for about $21 a month. And it's a monthly beauty subscription that I get sent to me in the mail. Same thing with the Ricky's Cult Crushes. This is what the box looks like on the inside. I already took my bubble wrap out because I needed it for something else actually. But the Ricky's Cult Crushes, I believe I pay about $14 a month for this box. So let's just go ahead and dive in and see what we got in this one. So this is what the little card looks like from Ricky's Cult Crushes. Very cute with the pink and the black. And it does list all the different items here, just like the Boxycharm. So let's see what we got. So first off, I see this box and it says Bathos Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. Fluttering volume. Get flirty with lush, thicker, and softer lashes. So this is a lash serum that I'm pretty sure I can just use like on my lash line to go ahead and help them to grow. I just bought a lash serum from Rimmel that I'm actually trying out right now. And so I'm not going to open this up. It says here, grow your lashes and feel summertime fine with the help of this serum. Not only does it condition your lashes for a lush look, biotin helps them grow naturally. Use daily for best results. So that's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and check this out after I use up my Rimmel. So I'm not going to open that up. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry if something looks off or different, the lighting or something. I had to change my battery in my camera, and you know when you move it, sometimes stuff gets tweaked. Okay, so anyways, next I have this LA Splash Cosmetics Vanishing Potion number 33, which is a waterproof makeup remover, and it comes in this cute little tube here. Let me open this up. Oh, okay. So it has one of these little dropper type vials, and it's cute because it just sits inside of here like its own little container. So packaging is very, very cute. Now on this it says here, LA Splash Vanishing Potion. When your makeup is trying to have a staycation on your face, remove it with this miracle product. The aloe and vitamin C leaves your skin feeling smooth and hydrated after. So, this is pretty cool actually. I definitely am going to try this out and see. I guess I can just drop some on like a little puff or something and use it to remove makeup. So that is that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Wickedly Divine from LA Splash. So I got a couple items in here from LA Splash. Now this is Wickedly Divine. Very cute little box here. It says Death Dealer. I want this Death Dealer, okay? It says, just like your favorite summer outfit, this lipstick is light, comfortable, and sure to turn heads. Rock this tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. Death Dealer. Oh, the packaging is really cute. Very unique package for some lipstick, but I'm here for it. Okay. So let me go ahead and swatch this right quick. And this applicator, I don't like this kind of applicator, the kind with the little hole in the center. I'm not here for it. I don't even understand why they do that. If you know, can somebody tell me why they have these applicators with the little hole in the center? But anyway, let me go ahead and, oh, it's kind of watery. Whoa. Gee whiz. You guys see that color? Oh my goodness, I did not expect that. Okay, all right, well, it's bright and it's pretty, so I'm just going to leave that there for a minute and see how it dries down. But yeah, it says rock this tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat. So yeah, that's definitely for a night out for sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that there and see how it dries down, but very pretty. Very, very bold and pretty. Okay, so next here I have something from Glamazon Beauty, and this is a cream highlighter. So this is what the box looks like. And it says here, Glamazon Cream Highlighter. Enhance your sun-kissed complexion with a natural looking highlight. Apply at the top of your cheekbones, down the center of your nose, and anywhere the natural light would hit. And you guys, for the descriptions on the Ricky's Cold Crush items, they don't have prices listed. So I'm sorry I can't tell you what the retail price is. But this is what the compact looks like. So that's cute. It has a little purple flowers on there. There is a mirror in here as well. So that's nice. And it is a cream highlighter. I don't necessarily like cream highlighters, but I have seen a few people use the cream highlighter and then put the, you know, the powder highlighter on top. And it really makes it pop and look nice. So let me just go ahead and swatch this and kind of see what this highlighter looks like. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. It feels a little greasy to me, but maybe that's just because I'm not used to cream highlight. But yeah, it definitely has a nice pop to it as far as highlighters go. But yeah, it does. It feels a little greasy to me, so I don't know how I feel about that. But it's pretty. It's pretty. I guess I'll be keeping it and using it since I just put my big finger up in there. I know nobody wants a used cream highlighter. Okay, and then lastly, I have here some Ricky Care Backstage travel wipes. So it's just a cute little pack of travel wipes here. A travel essential. These wipes remove makeup, tone and cleanse your skin, made with aloe, vitamin E, and chamomile flower extract. They'll keep you feeling cool even when things heat up. So this is cool. That's a little 10-pack of travel face or makeup wipes. So you can always use these. Those always come in handy. So that's it for my Ricky's Cold Crush box, as well as my Boxycharm for the month of July, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me pop it open and see what goodies I got for this month. And if you'd like to check out some of my other videos, whether they be makeup videos, hauls, tutorials, reviews, or monthly subscription unboxings, feel free to click my face, subscribe, and check out some more of my videos. But thank you so much for taking a few moments with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Toodles!